Valentine's Day gifts hit differently when they feel thoughtful and useful. Instead of something that gets used once and forgotten, these picks are all about comfort, small daily joy, and little upgrades that make someone's routine better long after the day is over. GODONLIF, candle, warmer lamp, with timer and dimmable light. This is one of those gifts that instantly changes how someone uses their candles. Instead of lighting a wick, the lamp gently warms the candle from the top, releasing fragrance evenly without smoke, soot, or that burnt smell at the end. That also means candles last longer, which people don't realize until they start using a warmer. The dimmable light lets you control the vibe, from soft ambient glow to brighter mood lighting, and the timer is huge for peace of mind. In real life, it becomes part of an evening routine. Turn it on while reading, watching TV, or winding down for bed. It also looks like actual home decor, not a gadget, which makes it feel more intentional as a gift. Body Restore, shower steamers, aromatherapy. This is a great Valentine's gift because it feels indulgent without being over the top. Shower steamers are perfect for anyone who loves self-care but doesn't always have time for baths. You place one on the shower floor and the hot steam releases calming scents like eucalyptus or lavender. In real use, they're amazing for stress relief, congestion, or just turning an everyday shower into a reset moment. The 30-pack makes this feel generous and long-lasting. It's not a use it once and forget it gift. It's also a safe choice for both men and women, which makes it great if you're unsure about very personal gifts. Burt's Bees, in Full Bloom Lip Balm Set. This is a small gift that actually gets used daily. Burt's Bees lip balms are known for being moisturizing without feeling sticky or artificial, and the natural ingredients are gentle enough for frequent use. The flavors in this set feel fun and seasonal, which adds a Valentine's vibe without being cheesy. In real life, these end up everywhere: desk drawer, bag, jacket pocket, bedside table. It's a perfect add-on gift or a simple standalone option if you're keeping things low-key, but still thoughtful. Nextmug, temperature-controlled self-heating coffee mug. This is one of those gifts that feels low-key at first, then becomes a favorite. The mug keeps coffee or tea at a steady, drinkable temperature, which is life-changing for slow sippers or people who get distracted while working. No more reheating, no more lukewarm coffee disappointment. In daily use, it's especially great for desk jobs, home offices, or anyone who likes cozy mornings. It feels like a tiny luxury that upgrades everyday life, which is exactly what a good Valentine's gift should do. STANLEY Quencher H 2.0 Tumbler. This tumbler is popular because it genuinely works. It keeps drinks cold for hours, fits in car cup holders, and the handle makes it easy to carry around all day. The flow state lid gives flexibility depending on how someone likes to drink: straw, sip, or closed. In real use, people end up using it constantly: water, iced coffee, smoothies, even tea. It's a great gift if your Valentine is into wellness, fitness, or just staying hydrated. Plus, the colors make it feel personal instead of generic. The best Valentine's Day gifts aren't about price. They're about showing you know what makes someone feel comfortable, relaxed, and cared for. Cozy home vibes, daily self-care, warm drinks, or simple wellness upgrades. Any of these picks hit that sweet spot where practical meets meaningful.